Hi friends, this is a case of intertrochanteric fracture with multiple comorbidities and poor bone stock. It was treated by biological smart fixation method and resulted in happy fixation. 82 years old female was admitted on Sunday evening with 103-degree fever with rigor, difficulty in breathing and measuring 82% SpO2. She had hypertension, diabetes type 2, pulmonary fibrosis, bronchiectasis, urinary tract infection, severe osteoporosis and anemia. Her 25-hydroxy vitamin D was 3 nanogram only in place of normal above 30 nanograms. She was on multiple medicines including 4 mg of prednisolone daily. Before sustaining this fracture, she was walking only inside house for last 2 years. She was resuscitated with difficulties, foot drop was noted, skin traction was applied, and 2 units of packed red blood cells were given. Physician gave green signal for fitness for operation after 10 days with informed consent including DOT, that is death on table. In midst of these challenges, we were encouraged by her strong mental positivity. With preferred plan to fix this by under nails and cannulated screws, proximal femoral nail and dynamic hip screws were kept ready as alternate devices. Under fluoroscopy and on fracture table, reduction was achieved by 20-degree abduction, proper traction and a little internal rotation. 3 pre-contoured 4.5 mm under nails of proper size were negotiated for primary fixation. Fixation was enhanced by placing 3.2 mm drill tip guide from intake lateral wall to proximally between the nails. Proper size 7 mm cannulated cancellous screw driven over the guide pin for turbo effect. The implant's hold in proximal fragment was further enhanced by another 7 mm turbo screw. The turbo screws displace the nails apart and that increases the hold. This modified undernailing offers very good fixation by 3 4.5 mm undernails and 2 7 mm cannulated cancellous screws. Distally, 2 nails were fixed by U-clip made from 2 mm K-wire. Final checks carried out for reduction, fixation and placements of the implants. This is post-fixation X-ray. The limb in neutral rotation indicates a good fixation. The lower right picture shows blunt trauma marks that caused foot drop. Look at the union in progress at 2 months with active knee exercise and recovering foot drop. Facing all challenges of old age and multiple comorbidities, active SLR is a sign of happy fixation. She was given teriparatide injection for 3 months to boost medical management of this fracture. At 3 months, union was hardening without loss of reduction. At 7 months, anatomy is restored with intact all soft tissue attachments over proximal femur. This is unlike other methods where hip rotators and abductors are ignored and damaged. This is how happy outcome was achieved by happy fixation. Elements of happy fixation have been discussed in other YouTube video. Irrespective of type of intertrochanteric fracture, the constant findings are intact cortical cylinders at neck head and at subtrochanteric regions. Biological smart fixation is based on press fit fixation at these two cylinders. Good reduction and press fit holds in proximal and distal intact cortical cylinders by micro-flexible implant assembly are keys to HU union with preservation of all soft tissues and muscle attachments of the hip. Timely union was possible due to the assembly of these 5 implants inducing micro-flexible fixation. Old age challenges while treating intertrochanteric fracture can be successfully overcome by this happy fixation method. Thank you for watching. Please see our other similar examples on YouTube videos. We are eager to receive your comments and questions.